Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're diving into a popular and often misunderstood diet, the keto diet. Ever wondered what really happens when you start keto? Let's break it down. Alright, so you've decided to try keto. What's next? For those who might not know, the keto diet is high in fats, moderate in protein, and very low in carbs. The goal is to push your body into a state called ketosis. But what does that mean? First, in ketosis, your body shifts from using carbs for energy to burning fat. In just a few days, you'll start breaking down fats into ketones, which become your new fuel source. This switch can lead to rapid weight loss, especially in the beginning, because your body is shedding water weight as it burns stored glycogen. But the beginning isn't always easy. Many people experience what's known as the keto flu. This can bring on headaches, fatigue, irritability, and even muscle cramps. It's a sign that your body's adjusting, and while it doesn't sound fun, it usually only lasts a few days to a week. Once you're past that initial hurdle, the benefits can be exciting. Many people report more energy, mental clarity, and fewer cravings. This is because, with ketones as fuel, your brain has a steady energy source. And without those carb spikes, you'll have fewer blood sugar crashes, which can mean less hunger and improved mood stability. Now, long-term keto can impact each person differently. Some people love it and feel amazing. Others may find it hard to stick to. If you're thinking of trying it out, remember, every diet affects each person differently. Make sure you listen to your body and consider consulting a healthcare provider before making major changes. So, there you have it. A quick look at what happens when you start a keto diet. If you enjoyed this video and want more health insights, subscribe to Health Options 101 for all things about health, wellness, and longevity. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth.